right, you're looking at the rear passenger wheel well. I removed the cover, but it's just here. You need to remove the whole thing. It's one piece. First it looked like two pieces from in the middle, but no, it's all connected. So we took it off, and as you can see, the evap pump is right here. But this is what I want to change to see if that causes or fixes the issue that I'm seeing. Looks fairly simple. So you gotta push this side to release this wire. I'm gonna try my hand, see if that's effective. This is on this side. I'm gonna just use my hand, see if I can do it by hand. Yep, that's easy. It just comes off. See, that's where it releases on the left side. And for this one, these push buttons, I guess you want to push them from both sides and pull it out. You gotta hold this and pull the holes out. See if I can do it with one hand. No, I can't. I need both hands. This looks like a filter or something. You push this contraption in and you pull it out. This is right here. So those are one-time use, I assume, so I'm just gonna cut one off. Oh, probably this one. So this is the old evap, and it kind of attaches like on this side to, actually it's this way. It attaches this way to the charcoal canister, and as you can see, it's got these like rubbery mounts, and I just pulled it out, really forced it out, but it was nerve-wracking. I thought for a second that I'm gonna break it or something, but yeah. So I'm not sure if you need to take the charcoal canister out. I couldn't figure out how to take it out, so I had to force this out and separate it from the canister. So this is my new part. You can see the part number there, right there. And this is where it mounts to the canister, like this way. So when you open it up in the car, that's what you see. Yeah, so that's how it looks like, evap. So this is how it looks like behind the evap. So what you see there, those are where the evap hooks onto. So I'm gonna have a hard time probably to put it back. So this is where the evap goes, and this is the charcoal canister basically. And I'm gonna have a fun time to put it back in place where it's going there. I just assume maybe you have to pull the whole canister, and I don't know how to do that. So I'm just gonna try to force it in. So that's a new one. I transferred the screws and the rubber feet or holder, I don't know what they call, from the old one to the new one. From that to that. So now I'm gonna probably grease them up a little bit, or use WD-40 and then try to put it back on. Hopefully that'll help me to put them back in place. I finally figured it out. If you put your hand back there, like behind the canister, between the canister and the body, there is a little thing, like there's something like this. You can push it down, and that would release it, and then you can push it up to push the whole canister up to take it off. So now I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna put my hand back there. I feel it, and then I'm holding it down, and okay. The whole canister is off, and that's the front of it. This is the back of it. So I was pushing basically this down, and that's where it hooks up. I think it's easier to take this whole bracket that holds this the evap to the canister, just take those bolts off and attach it to the evap, and then the final step, just attach the bracket and evap to the canister with these 2 screws. It's actually 3 screws holding it. Okay, so I connected the mount to the evap. As you can see, there are like 3 screws, 1 there and two below. As I turn it, you'll see it. Now I want to attach the whole assembly back to basically the canister. So now the bracket and evap is mounted back to basically the canister. I'm just putting it here so I can work on it. So there's 1 screw there, 1 here, and then 1 there. So now we're good. Now I'm just gonna put it back on where it goes and connect the rest of the hose. So canister is back in its place. I had to change and use a different one because I don't have the right size, but this one is good. This one also doesn't pinch the line, so that is back in place. The filter is back in place, and this hose is connected, so I just need to connect the electrical. Okay, we're good.